Hello guys. So we motorsports guys have it tough when it comes to our families. They always complain you're spending too much on your bills or there's too much tools in the house. You're tired, the rims and other things. And today I want to show you that that's also true. So I own these two Honda CRZ and Honda Fit. Both these are I manually swapped myself K24 turbo GT3582 making nearly 500 HP and 400 torque, and I will tell the details in some other thread, but this is Honda Fit 2012 model and this is also K20 turbo GT3076 and it's right now nearly 320 HP because the fuel pump is stock. When I upgrade the fuel pump I will update it. Okay, so today's video is about the tool and the equipment which was used. It is the behind the scene videos of these two builds. Okay, but because I am a perfectionist, so I want everything to be perfect, so that's why I have so much equipment and tools stored in my house. So let's begin the tour. Okay, this is my short cupboard or the tools I need mostly on weekly basis. So some screwdriver, some extension, ratchet keys, torch, these are some gloves, some common screws, the wrenches, the extensions, and all these zip ties, tapes in here. These are the glues, JB weld, Honda bond, etc, etc. This is some protection shield I wear when doing work which is harmful to eyes. These are some vacuum hoses, all those stuff. Okay, there are some Honda clips, and this is this is turbo stuff, the train stuff and gaskets, extension, etc. Okay, now let's go inside. Before going inside, there's another cupboard over here. Okay, this one has all the jacks and the jack stand and the oil drain buckets, etc, etc. So let's close this up. This is my light and let's go inside. Okay, I have very crowded inside. This is these rims just came from the paint job. I will be putting them upstairs, and this club just arrived for the CRZ because this club is sleeping. And these boxes were the rims. This is the Android screen which came from the Honda Fit. I'll be installing that and making a video of that too. These are some Advanced Racing rims, very nice looking Advanced Racing dirt trail. Okay, I'll put it downstairs some tires for my drag before we go upstairs. Let's show you another room. This is our small storage room, but the upside cupboards are filled with my stuff. All these boxes, this one and this one, this cupboard, this, that. Okay, let's start here. This is some electric thing. This is some heat gun, grinder, different extensions, lead. Then here we are my paint cans, tapes and glue gun, paint gun. Okay, then we have small Dremel set over here, and okay, this is some fuel pump assembly opening tool. This is vernier caliper, manual torque wrench. These are some pliers, and this is some wrenches, plus extension, hex keys, bolts. Then we have plus. This has some Sharpie marker. These are some voltmeter for my wiring stuff. This is a engine compression testing kit. This is QTP butterfly which has not been used. This is soldering thing. This is my TPS. Okay, then what we have here, these are my oils, the coolant, the MTF, brake oil and the coolant. Then here we have my welding machine, and this box has all the gauges and their boxes. Here we have the rubber part, and here we have little metal plates if you want to tie something. This is the wiring box, all the heat sleeves, the wires, the crimping machines. These are all the sensor, readiness sensor, crank sensor, map sensor, oxygen sensor. These are the tab bus circuit, well, etc. Then we have there the box of the gear related things, the clutch cylinder, master cylinder, etc, etc. These are the heat sleeve. These are the clamps box. This is the oil cooler and all the oil adapter stuff waiting over here. And this is turbo box, heat shield, etc. The turbo gaskets. All this stuff is here. And what we have in this box, it's my decoration box. All the stickers which came with the products, just I don't have time to tie them. I will do them soon. Okay, let's check these down cupboard. There we have the jack, the spark plugs, the Hawk HPS brake pads, octane boosters, some brake stuff. Okay, what we have here? Again, a sawzall, drill machine, all the bits, the spare lug nuts, hammers. This is big cutting tool, blue one. That's okay. Okay, now let's go to upstairs. Okay. Okay, let's go. Are you coming? Okay, let's go up. Okay. Be ready to be surprised, guys. Okay. This is the remnants of the case swap, the old Honda Fit or Honda Jazz parts. I have no place them to put somewhere. Okay, here we go. What do you have here? These are some 17-inch Nitos, and there are some Bridgestones. These are the spare rims for my CRZ. These are 5 agents. Okay, what do we have here? These are Nexin Nefera 17s, and down is a Nito also. This is other Nexin Nefera. This is our ironing place where we iron. Okay. These are the old books. I am trying to get rid of them, so I can put some stuff in there. So what do we have here above? These are the parts of old body kit of the CRZ and Honda Fit or Honda Jazz. Okay, what do we have here? This is Honda Fit manifold lying there. These are the K20 parts lying there. This is the generator of the K20. Okay, this is the timing chain cover. Let's see what we have here. These are some carbon covering I sometimes use for as undershields. So here are the timing, the valve covers, K24, K20. Down here we have some exhaust parts. Here is the shifter. Here are some old pistons, and this is, what is this? I don't know what is this. Okay, these are some manly rods and super tech pistons. When my car was natural aspirated build, now it's turbo. These are high compression pistons, so I am not using them. I will sell them in future. Let's see what are in those boxes. I think these are old turbos. One is yes, one is this one is a GT35 non-bar bearing, and the other one down here is, okay, what is this? This one is let's see, this one is, okay, this one here is HX35. Okay, this is HX35. This is my spare turbo. Let's put them back to rest. Let's go to here. This is these are the other Kuroki rims. One was down there while I was unpacking. These are some kites, and there is the AC condenser and old radiator lying there. Okay, let's see what else we got there. Oh, the tin coils over are lying here. Let's see. Okay, these are some tins lying here. Oh man, my wife is right. Okay, these are some boxes. Sometime we need to pack things and ship. This is old exhaust. This is my fit old exhaust. These are the sway bars for the CRZ. I think I will selling that. I'm not using them. Okay, let's see what is in this cupboard. Oh man, this is all the shield, under shield. Some spare catalytic converters are lying also there. Here are some mufflers. Okay, let's see. Here's also some mufflers. That is the behind is Dynamax VT. Oh, let's see here. This is a Honda Fit catalytic converter, and this is the hybrid fan lying there. And these are the CRZ and the fog lights. I am not using them. This is some universal catalytic converters lying there. Okay, and these are some remnants. I upgraded my headlights. These are the remnants of that project. I need to get rid of them. This is the old brake booster. These are some older mounts of the Honda Fit and CRZ. These are all lying there. What is behind them? Okay. Oh, this is some nitro stuff in here. Let's see these goodies. Oh, the dyno tune heater, the Nitrix Express, all that stuff. This is for the nitrous kit. I will be installing soon. This is the blow off tube. Let's go to the other room. Okay, I need to sell some parts to free up some space. This is my home gym. This is usually also crowded with the parts. Let's see. Here we have the as I am using carbon hood in the CRZ. This is the older hood lying here on the CRZ. This is the Meager Racing exhaust. I put a Varix exhaust on my Honda Fit, so this is the Megan one lying here. This is the nitrous kit I was telling about. This is the cylinder. These are some other parts, the Rex purge kit and the Rex spare lines. Here are some other parts. This is the Honda Fit older silencer. This one is the HKS silencer. Okay, these are some spare exhaust pipes. Okay, let's open this cupboard. Oh my god, I hope she does not come up here. Okay, this is also a resonator. This is silencer. These are some air filters. Let's see, this is a battery charger, some broken axles. This is DC sports exhaust. This is some AC condenser, as I am using half one in Honda Fit because the space is less. This is the older one. Oh, these are some Tanabe comforter and coil over. Okay, this is a clutch kit, older clutch, clutch masters. This is a spare crank over here, and here are my fuel stuff, fuel rails, extra fuel injectors, etc, etc. These are some HKS filter, oil cooler, CPU older of the CPU of the CRZ. Let's see what is on above here. On above are some exhaust parts. Here are some wastegate, all the turbo stuff, the couplers, all the extra piping, intercooler, they are all here. And above are some backlights, because I am using aftermarket backlights in Honda Fit. So older ones on here. There's huge resonator lying in white box, and this is the old wiring, original wiring came with the engine. So there it is, guys. As you can see, as a motorsports enthusiast. Okay guys, that will be it for video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Oh, I think she's coming. Let's run this room or this room. Oh, she's coming. I forgot to turn off the lights. See you later. Wish me good luck.